Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 524 on your mobile device. So the first thing we need to do to fix this is head over to an internet browser and we're just going to launch up roblox.com. From here, click Continue in Browser at the bottom. Then come over to Settings in the top right hand side, click on Settings, and then underneath this Account Info drop down, we're going to change this to Parental Controls. Come all the way down to Allowed Experiences and make sure you have this set to 17 plus. Now come back up to this drop down at the top and we're going to select Privacy. Come all the way down to Other Settings at the bottom down here and we're going to change this first option to Everyone. If you have a PIN on your account, then you just need to go ahead and enter that, and we're going to do the same for this one here. And then you can leave update friends about my activity to yes, and who can see my inventory, we're also going to set this to everyone. So once you've done that, you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Otherwise, the last thing we can do is if you're trying to join a Roblox private server via a link on your phone. So let me give you an example. If I just click one of these links here, it's going to pop up with this message saying open this page in Roblox. And if I go ahead and press open, you can see that I get the error code 524. So what we can do to fix this is come back over to Safari, come back over to the private server link. And we're just going to copy all of this text by holding down on your thumb and then coming over to a copy link at the bottom down here. Then you need to head over to the notes on your mobile phone and click create new note and then paste this link inside of here. Then we can click done to save this note onto our phone. And what we need to do is just click on the link from here. And as you can see, that bypasses the error 524. And it's as simple as that, guys. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.